Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to this review of the Python for Machine Learning and Data Science Masterclass course. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the course and what you can expect from it. Course objectives. The course is designed for anyone who wants to learn Python and apply it to machine learning and data science. It's perfect for beginners who are new to programming and want to jump into the world of data analysis and machine learning. Targeted audience. If you're a student, a professional, or just someone who's curious about data science and machine learning, this course is for you. It's a great way to get started with Python and learn the skills you need to analyze and interpret data. Course content. The course is divided into 6 modules, each covering a different topic. The modules include 1. Python Basics. This module covers the fundamentals of Python, including data types, control flow, loops, and functions. 2. Data Analysis with Pandas. This module teaches you how to use Pandas, a powerful data analysis library, to manipulate and analyze data. You'll learn how to handle data frames, perform data cleaning, and create visualizations. 3. Machine Learning with Scikit-learn. This module focuses on machine learning with Scikit-learn, a popular Python library. You'll learn how to build and train machine learning models, including decision trees, random forests, and support vector machines. 4. Natural Language Processing with NLTK. This module explores natural language processing with NLTK, a library for working with human language data. You'll learn how to tokenize text, perform sentiment analysis, and build your own text classifier. 5. Data Visualization with Matplotlib and Seaburn. This module teaches you how to create beautiful and informative data visualizations with Matplotlib and Seaburn. You'll learn how to create bar charts, scatter plots, and histograms, as well as how to design effective data stories. 6. Putting it all together. This module helps you bring together everything you've learned and build a project using Python for machine learning and data science. You'll work through a case study and apply your skills to a real-world problem. Overall impressions. I really enjoyed this course and found it to be a great introduction to Python for machine learning and data science. The modules were well organized and easy to follow, and the examples and exercises were helpful in solidifying my understanding of the material. The instructor was clear and concise, and the video tutorials were engaging and informative. I also appreciated the support materials, such as the PDF downloads and code templates, which made it easy to follow along and practice what I was learning. Conclusion. If you're looking to get started with Python for data analysis and machine learning, I highly recommend the Python for Machine Learning and Data Science Masterclass course. It's a great way to learn the fundamentals and gain the skills you need to work with data. I hope this review was helpful. If you have any questions or would like more information, please visit the course website or check out the instructor's other courses.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.